Hi everybody, I'm Ellie with T-sportline, and I really hope that you've been enjoying all the wonderful Cybertruck videos we've been producing lately. And today is a very special day because I'm here to share with you something that we've never done before. But before I get into it, let me tell you a little bit about the backstory. So we had a customer come to us and he wanted to go ahead and wrap his Cybertruck using PPF film. And that's a very popular topic and a very popular choice today. However, he could not choose between a super gloss PPF black film or the very popular satin black PPF film. So I said, why don't we do both? Why don't you be the first to go ahead and have a two-tone PPF wrapped Cybertruck? And ladies and gentlemen, here it is. The upper half of the Cybertruck, from this body crease line up, has been wrapped using Inozatec Super Gloss Blackout Dynamic PPF film. Very popular. You've seen plenty of videos and content where we've done the complete truck in this beautiful color, but take a look what's happening below this body line. We went ahead and used T-Max Satin Black PPF for that whole lower area. So let's start at the front and kind of break it down a little bit deeper. So as you can see, the hood is gloss black, because that's part of the line that starts to this kind of like upper body line. And then the nose or the front end of the truck right above the front bumper, satin black. Front lower fender, satin black. You can see the door is now two-tone, super gloss in the top, up to the body line, and then satin below. Continuing with the same body line, which is so beautiful. And you can see that we've continued as the body line continues, super gloss black PPF on the top, satin on the bottom, and then as you come around the back, the rear tailgate is all satin black. Now, to finish it all off, this customer, almost like every single one of our customers, wanted to go ahead and change the wheels. The Cybertruck community is just not loving the wheels that are coming with our trucks. We're not getting the aero covers, and what we're left with at delivery just really doesn't meet the high level of standards or design that we demand for a Cybertruck or the look we're going for. We offer a downsized 18-inch wheel and tire package, 20-inch wheels to be used with the original Goodyear tire that comes with the Cybertruck, 22 and 24 as a size up option. And surprisingly, the sales have been pretty much equal across the board, which is great because you know what? You have a lot of options as a Cybertruck owner on how you would like to go ahead and have your wheel and tire set up. This customer decided to go ahead and make it really easy. I want to keep my Goodyear tires that came with the truck. I want to take the wheels that came with it off, and let's put on a set of our gloss black CTM fully forged wheels. It's a great look. We've spoken about it before. I love it, but I really want to hear from you guys, our fans out there. What size wheels and tires do you think is best for a Cybertruck? Downsize to an 18, maintain the 20-inch, or upsize to 22 or 24-inch? My favorite, 24-inch. Anyway, that's all I got for you today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'd also like to hear some more thoughts below on what do you think about this two-tone finish on this Cybertruck. Are we starting a new trend over here at T-Sportline? Let's hear what you have to say. Thank you again. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so much more amazing Cybertruck content coming your way soon.